Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn writing, complete test strategies together step by step. Across the whole writing section, a few rules of thumb pay off. When two choices are both grammatical, the shorter one usually wins. Look at how the answers differ. That tells you what's being tested. Don't fear, no change, it's right about a quarter of the time. And always trust grammar rules over what merely sounds right. Process of elimination is your strongest tool. If a choice has any grammar error, cross it off, even if the rest sounds nice. If two answers express the same idea in different words, they're usually both wrong, since there's one best answer. Focus on what makes the choices different, eliminate the flawed ones, and the survivor is correct. The team blank celebrated after the win. The first two options pile on extra words that repeat joy and happy. Both are wordy and redundant. Joyfully celebrated says it all in one clean adverb. When several choices are grammatical, eliminate the bloated ones and take the shortest version that keeps the meaning. Short and correct beats long and fancy. Each of the dancers blank their own routine. The subject is each, which is singular, so the verb must be singular. Have, are having, and were having are all plural or wrong in form. Cross them off. Has is the only one that agrees. Find the grammar rule being tested, here subject-verb agreement, and eliminate everything that breaks it. Here's your complete test day system. 1. Spot the rule by seeing how the answers differ. 2. Eliminate every choice that breaks a grammar rule. 3. Among the survivors, prefer the shortest correct answer. 4. Aim for about a minute per question, and if you're stuck, flag it and move on. Stay calm, trust the rules, and you've got this. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.